This looks like ordinary rock, but hidden inside is wealth worth millions.
Extraction starts with scale, precision, and power.
Every blast follows data, not guesswork.
Rock is opened methodically, layer by layer.
Channels are carved for controlled energy.
Safety governs every movement.
Silence before controlled force!
Stone yields to engineered power. Only the fractured ore moves forward. Raw gold begins its journey as rock. Movement turns extraction into process. Material waits its turn for transformation. Flow begins the refining path. Size is reduced to unlock value.
Force prepares the ore for separation.
The mine feeds the factory beyond. Extraction hands over to industry. From earth to engineering, the process continues. Once inside, movement never stops. Material is routed with exact intent. This is where rock becomes resource.
Every ton is measured.
Security begins before processing. Gravity assists every stage.
Flow is controlled, never rushed.
Transport merges into preparation. Air is managed as carefully as stone. Purity starts early.
Material pauses, never idle.
Timing defines efficiency.
The factory draws the ore inward.
Preparation awaits. Size defines the next step. Now, separation truly begins. This facility is built to never stop.
Every entry is logged, every movement known.
Material arrives before people.
Even the air is engineered.
Inside, scale becomes overwhelming.
This is where mining meets manufacturing.
Human oversight guides heavy machines. Decisions happen above the noise. Data directs every ton.
The floor tells the real story.
Sorting begins with motion. Nothing out of spec moves forward. Consistency is engineered.
Every fragment finds its place.
Preparation happens before separation. The next stage demands cleanliness.
Stone meets water.
Now, true cleaning begins. Water strips away what doesn't belong. Cleanliness prepares material for precision. Moisture is reduced. Control increases. Size determines destiny. Even the smallest fragments are captured. Gravity separates what machines cannot. Coarse material moves forward. Experience catches what machines miss. Only valuable ore stays the course. Technology sharpens selection. Technology sharpens selection.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
The best material advances. Mines are prepared for recovery. Nothing valuable is wasted. Separated paths reunite with purpose. Now, transformation truly begins. Size is reduced to release what matters. Impact and abrasion do the work.
Rock becomes flow.
Consistency is maintained at every stage.
Movement keeps material alive. Liquid and solid are separated by force.
Only the finest moves forward.
Nothing escapes refinement.
Now chemistry takes control. Gold is released at the molecular level. Time and motion unlock the metal.
Precision prevents loss.
Gold dissolves into solution. Carbon captures what matters most.
Gold leaves liquid, binds to solid.
Captured gold is separated. Value moves under protection. The gold is ready to be freed. Captured gold is released from its bond. Heat and chemistry reverse the process. Gold returns to liquid form. Now the metal is ready to be recovered. Electricity pulls gold from solution. Atoms gather into metal. Recovery becomes tangible. Impurities are removed. Concentrated value is secured.
Moisture is removed before melting.
Preparation for transformation.
Flux prepares gold for purity.
Everything leads to the furnace.
Extreme heat completes the journey.
Solid becomes liquid. Gold takes its final shape. From solution to solid wealth. Automation now takes over. Consistency replaces human strain. Every bar follows the same path. Surface perfection is automated.
Size is verified instantly. Confirms authenticity.
Only perfection moves forward.
Identity is permanently assigned.
Every bar is traceable.
Precision replaces chance.
Machines see what eyes can't.
Luxury demands refinement. The process tightens further.
Automation still answers to humans.
Flow is perfected.
Final precision begins here. Perfection is refined, not rushed. Edges define craftsmanship. Flatness confirms integrity. Finish elevates value. Identity is perfected. Human judgment remains final. Accuracy is absolute. Nothing is assumed. Even reflections tell the truth. The bar earns its status. Preparation meets order. Protection is intentional. Nothing unwanted remains. Certified for trust. Finishing gives way to verification. Now, science confirms value.
Verification begins.
Here, gold is proven, not assumed. Random selection ensures trust. Composition is revealed instantly. Inside matters as much as outside.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.